Today we are going to learn the names of fruits. Banana, banana. Strawberry, strawberry. Avocado, avocado. Pineapple, pineapple. Pear, pear. Cherry, cherry. Watermelon, watermelon. Orange, orange. Apple, apple. Grape, grape. Lemon, lemon. Kiwi, kiwi. Peach, peach. Mango, mango. Blueberry, blueberry. Papaya, papaya. Subscribe to my channel.